Stop wasting 2025. Your future won't forgive you. The last 2 months are your comeback. The clock is ticking. Every day you delay, the gap between where you are and where you want to be grows wider. Maybe you've made excuses, or maybe you've been stuck. But here's the reality. 2026 is waiting, and it can be yours. Only if you act now. Think about everything you wanted to accomplish this year. How much did you actually do? Don't let another year slip through your fingers. But don't panic, because the next 60 days hold the most powerful opportunity of your year. Why is it urgent? Because the last weeks of the year aren't just for winding down. They're the perfect launchpad to set your future on fire. No distractions, no excuses, just pure focus and action. So here's what you must do. Decide right now that you will use these last 2 months differently. Break your goals into daily actions. Cut out distractions. Show up harder than ever. It won't be easy, but good things are hard to get. Imagine opening 2026 with clarity, momentum, and pride, because you taught to change your story. Don't wait for January to start your transformation. Own the day, own the moment, own your future. Write your comeback story in these last 60 days of 2025. If you're ready to take control, let me know in the comments what your comeback goal is. Because 2026 is yours, but only if you start today.